guys, Ben17 here. Today, I don't have to read that sign because I'm going to tell you what is the most coolest game ever, Minecraft. And what is the most populous toy ever? Well, everyone can say that. Fidget Spinner, because we're going to build a fidget spinner today. So, I'm going to build a pink one today. And I'll probably need some iron. Probably like 4 in the middle. Actually, the middle is going to be some wool. Pink wool. This is going to be so hard. So, I'm going to do 5, like, on each one. I'm going to do 3 of them. Because, like, there's different ones. It has, like, 5, 4s, 2s. I don't think there's a 1, are there? Well, I don't think there is, but 3, 5. But if there is one, I would like to make it probably, because look, that's cool. Just only 1. And please be sure to smash a comment, a like, I mean, darn. Please smash a like and subscribe to this channel. There's other channels. Not just mine, because, like, there's other popular channels. Okay, did I set it on today? Oh, yeah, I just made this map anyways. Well, it's not really a map. Nope. This looks like one of those things that, okay, that, it's like a wheel from back days. We used to use carriages. I just got back from school. It was amazing. Okay. There. That's 1. It's gonna take forever. So, guys, I'm gonna start doing the pink around it. So, I'm just gonna pause it and I'll come back with you. Okay, I'm doing a 2 fidget spinner now because, like, I didn't want to do 3 because I didn't really know how to do it. So, I just started out doing the middle. That's the middle, and then I have to finish this. I was going to finish this and then unpause the video, but I just didn't want to. I just wanted to show y'all how it sounded like when I say stuff out of pause the video, because, like, someone was loud in the background. But I done that while I paused it. I'm gonna do an outline out of it. It's really cool how am I building the fidget spinner. This is like the first time I ever built a fidget spinner. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it was fun. Darn. It's really hard when I go far from it. Okay, there. Perfecto. Did that look good? It's a 2 fidget spinner. I think I should have made the middle. Actually, never mind. That looks so good. What should I do else? Okay, the pit and decoration, I'm gonna add pink in the middle of, darn. I love the way where the, like, when it breaks, it, like, makes a glass sound. I like it when it does that. Okay, almost done. There. Actually, that looks good. A pink fidget spinner. It's a 2 pink fidget spinner. Soon I'll do 5. If you leave a comment below, I'll do 5, 4, 3. Is there 6? I think there's 6. Like, all the fidget spinner you need. Tell me what color, and I'll do it. Whatever one that I feel like to do, I'll do it. I'll break that. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button. Finally said it. And subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Dogu Blue. Bye.